Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add an email address to your WhatsApp account. This new feature can help you recover your account if you ever forget your PIN. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Next, tap on Account. Then tap on Email Address. Now tap Add Email Address. Enter your email address and tap Next. WhatsApp will now send a verification code to your email. Open your email inbox and copy the verification code. Go back to WhatsApp, paste the code, and confirm. That's it. Your email address is now linked to your WhatsApp account. This simple step can make your WhatsApp account more secure and easier to recover. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.